Ever wondered why the heliotrope mineral has been making waves in the investment world? Well, let's dive right into it. The heliotrope mineral, also known as bloodstone, is a unique gem that has captivated humanity for centuries. Its dark green body, speckled with red spots reminiscent of drops of blood, has inspired a multitude of tales and legends. Historically, heliotrope was regarded as a powerful talisman believed to bring good health and longevity. In the Middle Ages, it was even thought to have magical properties, from controlling the weather to making one invisible. But beyond its lore and legend, heliotrope carries a scientific fascination as well. This chalcedony quartz dyed with iron oxide is a testament to the intricate processes of our Earth's formation. But why the sudden interest from investors? The answer lies in its unique characteristics and applications. In the modern world, heliotrope is not just another pretty gem. It's a functional material with unique properties that make it highly sought after in various industries. It's used in jewelry, sure, but its applications go far beyond adornment. Its durability and resistance to weathering make it a valuable component in construction, while its optical properties are utilized in certain scientific and industrial processes. What's more, heliotrope is a non-renewable resource. Once a deposit is exhausted, there's no getting more of it. This rarity adds to its allure and drives its value up. As the demand for heliotrope continues to grow, so does its market value, making it an attractive proposition for savvy investors. Another intriguing aspect of heliotrope is its potential for sustainable mining. As the world shifts towards environmentally friendly practices, minerals that can be responsibly mined, like heliotrope, are gaining favor. This shift in global consciousness is yet another factor that's putting heliotrope in the spotlight. Now that you have a basic understanding of the heliotrope mineral, you might be asking, why should I invest in it? So, why is the heliotrope mineral a good investment, you may ask? Well, let's delve into the reasons why heliotrope is capturing the attention of savvy investors worldwide. Firstly, heliotrope's increasing demand in a broad spectrum of industries is notable. This vibrant mineral, also known as bloodstone, isn't just a pretty face in the jewelry world. It's making waves in the tech industry too. With its unique electrical properties, heliotrope is becoming a key component in the manufacturing of high-performing, energy-efficient electronics. As our world becomes increasingly digital, the need for such technology is only set to rise. Now let's talk about supply. Heliotrope, like any natural resource, has a finite supply. As demand grows, this limited availability could drive up prices. It's a classic case of economics. When supply can't keep up with demand, prices tend to rise. And rising prices could mean big returns for those who've invested early in this radiant mineral. But it's not just about the supply-demand dynamics. Heliotrope's potential for high returns also lies in its growing popularity among consumers. As more people discover the allure of heliotrope, whether for its beauty or its technological applications, its market value is likely to increase. This surge in popularity could potentially lead to a significant boost in investment returns. Lastly, let's not forget the green aspect. Heliotrope is often mined in an eco-friendly manner, which aligns with the growing global consciousness towards sustainable and ethical investing. This green factor could make heliotrope even more appealing to investors who want their investments to reflect their values. But remember, as with any investment, risk is part of the game. While the potential for high returns is there, the market for heliotrope, like any other, can fluctuate. Prices can go down as well as up. It's essential to do your homework, understand the market, and consider your risk tolerance before diving in. Investing in heliotrope can be a profitable venture, but like any investment, it comes with risks. So keep your eyes open, do your due diligence, and who knows, you might just strike gold, or rather strike heliotrope, with your next investment move. What are the risks and rewards of investing in heliotrope? A question that any prudent investor should ask. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the potential risks. Like any investment, heliotrope is subject to market volatility. This means that the value of your investment can go up and down in response to changes in supply and demand. One day, you might be sitting on a gold mine, and the next, you could be looking at a pile of rocks. Another risk is the regulatory environment. The mining and trade of minerals are subject to a myriad of laws and regulations which can vary greatly from one country to another. Changes in these regulations can have a significant impact on your investment. One day, you might have the green light to mine to your heart's content, and the next you might find yourself entangled in a web of red tape. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the potential rewards. The most obvious reward is the financial gain. If you buy Heliotrope at a low price and sell it at a higher price, you stand to make a tidy profit. But the rewards of Heliotrope investment go beyond mere financial gains. Heliotrope is a versatile mineral with a variety of uses. From jewelry to electronics to alternative medicine, the demand for Heliotrope is broad and diverse. This means that as an investor, you have numerous avenues to explore and potentially capitalize on. Moreover, Heliotrope is a relatively rare mineral which adds to its allure and potential value. If you can secure a reliable source of Heliotrope, you could be sitting on a treasure trove. In conclusion, while investing in Heliotrope comes with its share of risks, the potential rewards are tantalizing. As with any investment, it's crucial to do your homework, understand the market, and be prepared for ups and downs. A wise investor knows to weigh the risks against the potential rewards. But how do you go about investing in Heliotrope? Stay tuned as we delve into that in the next segment. How can you start your journey into Heliotrope investment? Well, like any investment decision, it's not something you leap into without a bit of research and planning. Here's your step-by-step guide to investing in the captivating world of Heliotrope. First things first, get to know the market. Heliotrope, also known as bloodstone, has a unique allure, but it's the market trends and demand that dictate its investment potential. Keep an eye on global economic indicators, industry trends, and consumer demand. Websites, online forums, and publications dedicated to mineral investments can be handy resources. Next, understand the quality factors. Not all Heliotrope is created equal. The value of this mineral depends on factors like color, size, rarity, and overall quality. It's essential to learn how to evaluate these factors to ensure you're getting your money's worth. Once you're comfortable with your knowledge of the market and the mineral itself, start looking for a reputable dealer. This is a crucial step. You want to ensure that you're dealing with someone trustworthy and knowledgeable. Look for dealers with established reputations, positive customer reviews, and memberships in reputable industry associations. Now, it's time to make your purchase. But hold on, don't rush. Take your time to examine the pieces, negotiate the price, and ensure that all necessary documentation is in place. Remember, this is an investment, and you want to make sure every detail is perfect. After the purchase, proper care and storage of your Heliotrope is essential to maintain its value. This includes keeping it in a controlled environment, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Lastly, always have an exit strategy. Knowing when and how to sell your investment is just as important as knowing how to buy. Keep an eye on the market, and when the time is right, be ready to sell. Investing in Heliotrope is not a decision to be taken lightly. It requires careful thought and planning. But with the right approach, it can be an exciting and rewarding journey. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Heliotrope investment? So, what should you remember when considering an investment in Heliotrope? Well, let's take a moment to recap the essentials. First and foremost, the allure of Heliotrope is undeniable. Its striking hue and unique properties make it a sought-after mineral in various industries, from jewelry to electronics, bolstering its investment potential. But remember, the market's charm is only part of the equation. Investing in Heliotrope, like any other venture, comes with its own risks and rewards. The Heliotrope market can be volatile, and prices may fluctuate due to factors beyond your control. It's essential to be aware of these risks and have a strategy in place to manage them. On the flip side, the rewards can be substantial. The demand for Heliotrope is on the rise, and as an investor, you stand to benefit from this growth. The key to navigating these risks and reaping the rewards is understanding the market. This means keeping an eye on industry trends, staying updated on mining regulations, and knowing the ins and outs of the Heliotrope supply chain. Knowledge is power, and in the investment world, it's also your best defense against unforeseen market shifts. But understanding the market isn't enough. You need to conduct thorough research before making an investment. Look into the background of the mining companies you're considering, their track record, and their commitment to sustainable practices. After all, your investment is not just a financial decision, but also an ethical one. Lastly, remember that investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and strategic planning. Don't rush into decisions. Take your time to weigh your options and make informed decisions. Investing in Heliotrope can be a rewarding venture, but it requires diligence and careful planning. Happy investing!